Hello boys and girls. This YouTube channel making $7,000 just by uploading relaxing sleep videos. Want to know about its most popular video? It has 12 million views. Other videos have 9 million, 6 million, and millions more. Creating videos like this can take a lot of hard work, but I'm going to show you how to do it smartly. You'll learn how to make these videos and get millions of views. Best of all, I'll teach you how to do it completely for free using a simple AI tool. I'll walk you through starting your own YouTube automation channel, just like this one. This channel is earning around $7,000 each month. I'm going to recreate its most popular video. I've opened the video, and it has millions of views. But it's just a simple video. However, channels like this are not monetized anymore. The channel uploaded this video 6 years ago, so it is monetized. But today, you can't make money by sharing this kind of footage. That's why I'm going to teach you how to make an AI-generated video that can be monetized and how to start your own YouTube automation channel. I'll recreate the most popular video from that channel and show you how. You know that having a great thumbnail is key to making a video go viral. The most attractive thumbnails help videos get lots of views. At the end of the video, I will teach you how to make thumbnail like this channel. All you need to do is give a prompt to an AI, and it will create the perfect thumbnail for you. Make sure to watch the video till the end. Want to earn this kind of money? You'll want to learn these tips. So, let's get started. Today, I'm going to show you how to use Fliki AI to make relaxing and sleep videos. I'll take you through it step by step, so you can easily create soothing videos using this tool. You'll find the link to Fliki AI in the description below. If you use the coupon code I've shared, you'll also get 10% off. At the end of the video, I'll tell you how to use Fliki AI for free. With this tool, you can turn blogs into videos or create videos from scripts and prompt to video. And AI voices, AI avatars, text-to-speech, voice cloning, and more. You can use it for many different purposes. Let's get started with the video. Scroll down and click on Start for free. To begin, you'll see an interface where you can log in using your Google or Facebook account, or sign up with your email. Once you're signed in, you'll get access to the main interface. Now, to make your video, go to YouTube and find the channel you're interested in. I'll be recreating a relaxing video from one of the most popular videos on this channel. Copy the title of the video you want to recreate. Next, go to Fliki AI. Click on New File at the top corner and type in your file name. Type the name of your video. Choose the language you want. You can pick any language. I will choose English. Next, select the video ratio. Since I'm making a video for YouTube, I'll pick 16:9. After that, click on United States. Now click on Start with Idea. Finally, click on Save. That's it. First, you will see an interface. Here, you need to add the title of your video. Next, you can choose the length of your video. For this example, I'll choose 1 minute. Now, select Stock Media from this section. You can also create images and videos using AI. I'll click on the AI Media option. Then click on Video and choose the type of video you want. I'll choose a 3D model for this example, but you can also go for cinematic or whatever suits your project. From here, you can choose your AI avatar. You will find many characters to use in your videos, including both male and female options. You can also create your own unique character. To make your own character, click on Generate Avatar. Then, follow the steps to design your character however you like. Just paste your prompt here, and it will help you create a great-looking character for your videos. First, click on the More option and turn on the sound effect. After enabling the sound effects, turn on the B-roll option. Then, click the check mark and submit the video. Now, your video will start processing. While it's processing, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Once the processing is done, your video will be ready. This AI tool is really great. It can automatically generate videos. Take a look at your beautiful new video. If you don't like a scene created by AI, you can easily change it. Just click on this icon. From there, you can choose scenes from the stock library. You can search for video footage, images, or stickers. You can also upload your own video. Additionally, you can add video templates that are ready to use. There are many great scenes you can choose or replace. If you'd like, you can also generate images, stickers, or video clips using AI. I don't want to generate anything right now, but the video AI is very helpful. To download the video, just click on the download you want, and your download will start. Let me show you how to use this tool for free. First, let's check the pricing. This AI tool works on a credit system. You can choose the standard plan for $28, which gives you 180 credits. Premium plan costs $88, and you'll get 600 credits with it. You can give it a try. The link is in the description. How to use this tool for free. Click the referral button to see the referral program. You can get 300 free credits. You can also earn more credits by sharing your referral link with friends and family. When they sign up, you'll get extra credits. You can check your total raffles and credits from your account. If you liked this video, please like and subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in making AI thumbnails, I already made a video about it. Check out the link in the description. If you're in any niche, it will be really helpful. You also included a link to the AI tool in the description. If you use the coupon code provided, you'll get a 10% discount. Watch the video to see the results, and let me know in the comments what you think about this AI tool.
Unlock wealth. Sleep affirmations for abundance. Welcome to the journey of abundance, where your dreams of wealth and prosperity become reality. Relax, breathe deeply, and let these affirmations guide you. As you drift into sleep, imagine a life filled with unlimited abundance. You are deserving of wealth, success, and all the good things life offers. With each breath, you are attracting prosperity. Your mind is a powerful magnet, drawing in wealth and opportunities effortlessly. Feel the energy of abundance. You are aligned with the frequency of success. Every cell in your body vibrates with the power of financial freedom and limitless potential. Embrace this truth. Visualize money flowing into your life from multiple sources. Each day, you are getting richer, wealthier, and more prosperous. This is your natural state. You are a magnet for success, attracting opportunities effortlessly. Your mind is programmed for wealth, and your heart is open to receiving endless prosperity. Every night, while you sleep, your subconscious mind absorbs these affirmations. They are transforming your beliefs, enhancing your abundance mindset. Trust the process. You are worthy of all the wealth the universe has to offer. Prosperity is your birthright, and you welcome it with open arms. Feel the gratitude. Wake up each morning with a heart full of gratitude and a mind ready to embrace wealth. Your journey to abundance begins now. Sleep well.